you doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Join me and let's whip up some papaya oil. Now, I've already peeled my papaya. I took off all the seeds because I don't want this video long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be cutting it into smaller pieces, like so. Okay. This is our papaya. Hopefully I don't eat it all before the end of the video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this, I don't know what it's called, to mash up my papaya. I'm done mashing it up. I'm gonna be using this, and I will be pouring it in here like so. In here, I have some coconut oil. And I'm just gonna be mixing it well. And I will head on to my burner, which is my stove. And I'm gonna cook this for 30 minutes. So let's go. So as you can see, it's taking its own time to boil. It still has a lot of water underneath, which I have to make sure it all dry off. So I'm still keeping it here. And I'm just loving the color of the oil because that's what I always wanted. Like normally when I mix it with the seed and the bark and everything, it doesn't give this orangey color. It gives some color, but I'm liking this one. So yeah, I'm just stirring it out so it cannot burn anywhere and all of that. It been on for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for additional 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna take it out for screening. Okay. It been on for at least 30 minutes on low heat. So right now, I'm just gonna give it a final stir. I could still go longer, but I don't want to kill all the ingredients that are in here, so 30 minutes is okay. You can see how the oil is setting on top. Like look here, it has a lot of the papaya in it now, so yep. See? It's settling down. So this is how you know your papaya is ready. It smells just like honey. It smells so good. Hands down. Can you guys see how orange this oil looks? I'm just gonna start to screen it. So here I am screening it like so, okay? Beautiful oil, right?
You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me. And I'm like.
And voila. Oh my God. It smells so divine. Smells so good, yo. Like, I cannot even tell you how I appreciate this. Like, this is so lovely, you guys. So, so good. I don't know if you can see it, but I love the oil. So on to the next step.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without you.
Like this.
There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have
See?
you just gotta trust the right. You don't have to be scared.
Yes, it's focusing. Okay, so this is how our beautiful oil applies. So guys, we are finally done, okay? All right, this is how it's looking. Our very own papaya oil. You guys saw the entire process. I'm so happy that I took on this project because I have enough of papaya oil that I can just use at any time. I don't have to go outside and buy it. Please try this at home. You will thank me later. I hope you guys enjoy this video and want to see more. But until next time, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.
To be scared.